Your mind is not a public space. It is a sacred temple. So why have you let the loudest, most toxic voices set up camp inside? The voice of past regret, shouting from the shadows. The voice of future anxiety, whispering fears of what might go wrong. They are not just visitors anymore, are they? They have become your unwanted roommates. And it's time for an eviction? Right now, take a breath. And just for a moment, listen. Not to me, but to the noise inside your own head. The endless loop of a conversation you wish had gone differently. The crushing weight of a mistake you can't undo. The story you tell yourself about why you're not good enough, not ready, not worthy. It's exhausting. It's a storm that drains your energy, clouds your vision, and steals your peace. And the most dangerous lie it tells you is that you are powerless to stop it. 2,000 years ago, the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, sat down to write a simple, profound truth in his private journal. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Let that sink in. The storm isn't the problem. It's your belief that you must stand helpless in the rain. The first step to inner peace is this radical acceptance. You cannot control every thought that knocks on your door. But you absolutely, unequivocally, control whether or not you open the door and invite it in for dinner. Your mind is a garden. Toxic thoughts are the weeds. You cannot stop the wind from carrying seeds, but you do not have to water them. You do not have to give them a place to grow. So, how do you reclaim your garden? You become the gatekeeper. When the thought arrives, "I'm a failure," you pause. You do not let it run wild. You hold it up to the light of reason, like a scientist examining a specimen. You ask it, "Is this true? Is this thought helping me? Is it within my control?" You will find that most toxic thoughts crumble under this simple scrutiny. They are ghosts, and you are giving them substance with your attention. Your job is not to fight the thought, but to see it for what it is, a mental event, not a command. And then, with a quiet breath, you let it pass by like a cloud in the sky. You return your focus to what you can control, your next action, your next word, your very next breath. This is your reclamation. This is your peace. It is not a destination you arrive at, but a practice you return to, moment by moment. It is the quiet strength of knowing that the world may be chaotic, but the sanctuary of your mind is yours to protect. You are the guardian of your inner world. Start guarding it today. If this journey resonated with you, if you felt a shift, then do this for your peace. Like this video. It tells the algorithm that this message matters. And subscribe to the channel, because the path to a stronger, more peaceful mind is a journey we are taking together. Until next time, be well.